Hello everybody. Today we're back over here at my fix and flip project, what we call our hoarder house, because we had 16 30-yard dumpsters just to clean this place out. But anyway, I'm picking up off a video I did a couple weeks ago about the foundation here. And if some of you don't know, some of you know and some of you don't know, I'm a licensed real estate agent in the Littleton, Colorado area, but I also do fix and flips as well. And a lot of the homes that I do have had foundation issues, which a lot of homes in the Littleton, Colorado area or around the Denver, Colorado area have. So if you're thinking of buying a home in the Colorado area, these are some things you need to know about. And today I'm going to cover what we did on this house. Now you can see these black strips running down the wall. I think we have 5 or 6 here, and then we have a couple on the other side. And then you can see this gray line that runs down. That was that crack if you watch my previous video, and that foundation was pretty cracked. I mean, it got down here. So anyway, the pad upstairs sunk and angled down due to the gutters being plugged, and the water ran down, so it ran down the foundation, causing the pad to drop. Thus the water came down the foundation and pushed this wall in. And if you're not familiar with the soils in Colorado, we have very expansive soils. We have bentonite, and it's just water's the worst enemy out here. So keep your gutters clean and make sure that the downspouts are out, or the extension pipes, and keep water away from the foundation, because that's what happened here. Luckily, this wasn't a major fix. It was enough, but not major, because sometimes you have to do what we call soil anchors or helical piers. But today, what we did, we put on carbon fiber strips. So this will keep this wall from moving anymore. And then we shot some epoxy into the cracks, so that'll keep the water from intruding in here. So this foundation is corrected and fixed. And again, I want to let everybody know I'm not a foundation professional, but a lot of the homes that I have bought in the past years, most of them have structural issues. So I'm just kind of telling you my take when I talk to my guys. So anyway, all these strips here have stabilized this wall. So anyway, this is something that you need to be aware of if you're thinking of buying a home out here in Colorado. And I just wanted to share that with you along with my previous video. And just stay tuned for more videos on this project I have going on. I also have other projects going on, and I will keep giving you some pointers on some stuff. So if you would, subscribe to my YouTube page so you can stay informed. Also, I can update you on any listings or anything I have going on. And if you found this video or information beneficial, give me a thumbs up. And if you didn't, you can give me a thumbs down. Just wanted to try to help people out here today. Anyway, I'm David Novak with David Novak Homes and REMAX Professionals. And I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you again soon.